Well, here we are on Friday, January 13th, and after a very mild winter for pretty much the whole country, winter's caught up with us. Blammo. And I actually drove up to a 7:30 a.m. meeting through whiteouts, and got back home just a little while ago. And not sure what time it is right now, but it's probably 10:30 or 11 or something. And yeah, fun stuff. Sadie loves it. Sadie loves it. What do you think, Sadie? Hey! Woof! Sadie's very happy with the snow. Whee! Wee! Go on, get off of me. Do not jump on me. Yeah, the snow has been blowing like this everywhere in upstate New York. Driving from Bloomfield up to Medaille College, up in Rochester, was a whole lot of fun, and it didn't change on the way back after an hour and a half meeting. So, real fun here. Sadie, come here. Come here. Whee. Good girl. Yeah. There goes our snow fence. Probably gonna get buried again if it's snowing like this. I gotta put on my glove. I have my iPhone camera in my right hand, and it's about to turn into an icicle. Oh, there you are. What do you think, Sadie? Huh? Stick. Hooray. Well, it's a good thing we bought this new used-to-us plow just last weekend. We have the 95 Pathfinder, which has decided not to start reliably. And then we have the 1990 Chevy 1500 pickup 4x4 with plow that we actually just bought last weekend for a whopping $250. So it's going to be time to fire this puppy up and do some plowing. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Where's that dog? Sadie! 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 Come here! Yeah, yesterday we had no snow at all on the ground, and it was fairly mild. Hey! Wee! Woof! Ha 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 ha! Sadie just hates the snow. Ooh, you got a beard. Hee. Give me the stick. Ooh, ha. Ha ha. Hey. All right, Sadie, I think it's time to go in.